Ziegler, come here.
Mom, this is the grand finale.
Come here.
This is the grand finale.
It is.
Will you watch the grand finale? And the great finish on the band. The great finish on the band.
Okay, all right. Encore.
And now we'll reveal their names. He is Eric, and I am Charity.
Ah, very good.
Eric and Charity were doing it.
Very good. All right, yay, Eric and Charity. Woo! Oh, the toughness. Yes. Oh, good. Hello.
And we'll turn up, and every band inside of our bands have music at
Dad, you got him. I'm gonna take him down. Woo! I'm over my knees. I'm such a big boy.